What's up everyone, Garrett here, and welcome back to Code the Web's PHP series. In the last video we talked about the for loop, and in this video we're going to keep talking about loops. The only difference is we're going to be talking about a different kind of loop, and that is the while loop. So how are they the same? Well, they're the same because they're both loops, and they both enable us to do things so long as a certain condition remains to be true. Now how are they different? Well, a for loop is really good for when we know how long exactly we need to do something, whereas a while loop is really good when we don't know how long something's going to remain true. So we just need to constantly check it. We don't know how long it's going to be. So without any further ado, let's start writing our loop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called name, and name is going to equal code. And below we're going to create our while loop. It's going to look actually more or less the same than a for loop. The only difference is that instead of the word for, we're going to use the word while. And we're going to say while name is equal to code, echo P, the paragraph from HTML, hello code. Cool. And then we're going to end this like so, and we're going to add our semicolon. And then after that, we're going to change the variable name is now going to equal web. And then outside, it's going to say the name is no longer code. Great. Now, when we do this, perfect. So the reason that it didn't keep on saying hello code over and over again is because, and that it actually got to this part, is because we changed the name to equal no longer code, and now it equals web. So it didn't go through this again. It didn't print this over and over again because this condition was no longer true. But obviously, we told the computer we know when that's going to be over. But let's say, we wanted it to say something as long as until a user changed their name or something on our site. We don't know. So that's why you would use a while statement. They're really good for things like that. So now the last thing I want to show you guys is similar to the syntax from a switch statement. Switch statement. If you guys remember that, which is just another way back to a few videos ago. Similar to an if statement, easier, gives the computer the ability to make decisions for itself. And if you guys remember at the end of the switch statement video, we talked about the end switch statement. So you can either use the curly braces to define what is the executable code for the switch statement, or you can use a colon at the top and then end switch at the bottom. Well, same thing for while. You can use a colon at the top, and then instead of using a curly brace, you can use end while. And we just deleted that. The name is no longer code, that bit, but same exact thing. It works just the same. So personally, I like to use these curly braces, but either way, it is proper. It does work. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you like all the videos that I'm putting up, and you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. You can do so by clicking right there. As always, thank you for watching. Also, be sure to follow Code the Web on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Some really cool, awesome content comes out over there. It doesn't come out on YouTube, so definitely follow and like us over there. The links will be in the description. And comment and rate if you have any ideas or just to show your support. It is really appreciated a lot. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.